Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today's video is a little different. Today, it is our first vlog. Recently, my friends and I went to a local orchard near my house. This was an all-season orchard, which means they have some fruit or vegetable ready for picking all year around. So when we went there, which was in June, it was strawberries and green peas ready for picking. The very first thing that we did as soon as we got there was stand in line for the strawberry picking. So as we were standing there, a tractor pulls up with a wagon attached to it. It seems we needed to be transported from the entrance to the field, which was quite far. This tractor ride was so much fun. We had to go past their apple orchard, cherry trees, blueberry bushes, green peas field to get to the strawberry field. On the way, there was this beautiful pond which had a few canoes and a boat. Once we reached the strawberry field, we could see rows and rows of strawberry bushes. It was so beautiful. They guided us to one row and we could pick our strawberries from that row. So we picked our strawberries, we ate a few while we were there. These were such beautiful, such wonderfully sweet strawberries. So once we were done picking, we took our box full of strawberries and went back to the entrance in the same tractor that we came in. This orchard had so many other facilities. They had a very kid-friendly play area which had castles, forts, ships, trains. It was really nice. They even had picnic tables to have proper picnics. And as you can see, they had a tube slide and a small food court on the side. Another thing that they had over there were these tricycle tracks for tricycle race. My daughter loved it. So this is a duck race. So basically you pump the water with a hand pump and push the duck to the end of the channel. Lots of kids and adults loved it. Not my daughter though. Her duck just wouldn't move. This was definitely a fun thing to do with family. We picked around 13 pounds of strawberries. You must be wondering what we did with so many strawberries. We made cakes, jams, ice creams, milkshakes, and we froze quite a lot for a later day. With these strawberries, I made some no-churn strawberry ice cream at home. Let's check out its recipe. So, to make the strawberry ice cream, first take 500 grams of fresh chopped strawberries. Cook them on a low flame until the strawberries are mushy. A lot of its water will evaporate. It will have almost a jam-like consistency. Keep this aside to cool completely. Once cooled, transfer it into a blender. Add 1/4 cup of condensed milk and blend it. We wanted the flavor of the fruit to be pronounced, so we have used 1/4 cup. You can increase it to half or 3/4 cup if you want it sweeter. Taste it and adjust it accordingly. Now Now, in a separate bowl, take 1 cup of heavy cream. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whisk this till it forms stiff peaks. Now fold the cream into the strawberry mix a little at a time. You don't have to fold it in completely. The streaks of strawberry puree in the ice cream taste really good. Pour this mix into a freezer-safe bowl and freeze it for 7 to 8 hours or until firm. Scoop it out and enjoy homemade strawberry ice cream. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to show us your support. Until next time, happy cooking!